Okay, we are going to go on the desktop screen, right click, go to new, then new folder, rename it, give it a name. So then open it, you double click. Okay, right click inside, go to new, then new Excel file, rename it. I'm going to call it tutorial, then I press enter. After that, I'm going to right click on it, then I go to open. So that's how an Excel file looks like. I had copied a table somewhere, now I'm going to paste it just like that. I try to enlarge the cells so that we can read them well. This is name, age, these are marks. The marks you see there down, we have math, science, SST and English. So these are subjects. Okay, then I'm going to come here, I highlight these 4 cells, then I go to merge and center. I want to put a title, I'm going to call it calculations. So we are going to do some calculations of which are very simple. Okay, after that I'm going to highlight the entire thing, then I want to make it to all borders. I'll come there, right click, then I go to all borders. Okay, I'll make this total, then I make this average, I make this position, yeah, that is position. Okay, the last one will be comment. Okay, use that cursor to highlight, okay, to increase on the size of the cell. Okay, now to find total, we shall say equals sum in 2 brackets, Lutaya's marks from math to English, you highlight. Okay, then you close the brackets, you press enter, then you autofill like that. Okay, now we are seeing that there is an error. Don't be mistaken with it. Sometimes the software thinks that every digits on the left must be added or calculated. So it is like the age is also supposed to be. No, don't be misguided by this. Be conscious when you are working with this Excel. Okay, for us, we know that we are summing up from math to English. So don't try it out. Make sure that whatever you are doing, you are so conscious. Okay, we shall go with that. You remember, from math to English, you autofill, make sure that you have that answer. Now for the average, we shall say equals average. You can click on it, then into brackets, from math to English. Okay, close brackets, enter. Now that is the average. We said we shall ignore the error because we know what the mistake it does. Okay, now after you see the decimals, you have to decrease them. So we shall go there where there is a decrease, decimal, double click. So they are decreased. Now we are going to the position. The position is all about rank. So we shall say equals rank into brackets. We are ranking, you can rank using total or average, but this time round you are going to use average, of which is H3. So we shall put H3 comma from H3 to H7. So there you have to press F4 to fix. It has to be from $H $3 to $H $7. That means you have fixed the range of cells, then comma, we are taking the 0 because we want the one with the highest is the first one. So we shall take the 0 because it is descending. Asinze average nyingi yabasoka, like that. Okay, now I will autofill. seeing that we have got the position. Now for the comment, we are going to use the if statement. The if statement will be like equals, okay, let's first see, there must be a criteria that we are going to follow. Remember, if there is a pass mark where average mark is 65, that is the pass mark. If someone got the average of 65 and above, that person passed. So we shall say equals if, into brackets, we are trying to comment on the average of Lutaya, of which is H3, comma, no, comma, it's H3 greater or equal to 65. It is equals if, into brackets, H3 greater or equal to 65, then comma, you put double quotes, open double quotes. Now you put the criteria. The first criteria is passed. If that guy got greater or equal to 65, he passed, comma. If not, failed. You just put a comma in two quotes, failed. That's how it should be like. So I'm going to close that, even that. So make sure that it is also in two quotes. You close and press enter. There you'll get the answer. We have passed. Then when you autofill, there are some that failed, those that are below 65. Okay, I think there we are done, and that is the calculation that we have done. Thank you for attending. Meet you next.